All right, hello YouTube. Live video here. Well, it's not live, but anyways, so 996 headlight switch. That switch right there. I looked for some videos, couldn't find a video to take it off, and usually there's videos on everything, like some of the things, but you want to be careful. Probably not like me. When you take this off, it is a little bit of a pain. So basically there's this notch right in here, you can see that. There's this let's see if we can get some light in there, huh? You're basically going to be pushing this little piece right here, and it's going to unlock that. And you have to use like a small screwdriver. And I mean, it's not super tight, but you're pulling out the headlight. You can see I'm pushing that. So you just basically have to push that. You can see that in there. You push that down, and it pushes that down. All right, so it wasn't necessarily a lot of fun. I'll show you how I do it, even though I just did it. Okay, so switch is on. See, all right, sorry. Switch is on. All right, works all fine. And man, I don't have many hands, so put that in there. Bear with me, people. See if I could see it in here. I don't have a light on there, so. Alright, so see the little dent right there, the little light. I don't even know what this looks like right now, so. Alright. So, I have to go back and look and see, but basically, once you pull that open, insert that screwdriver, not at an angle, but more straight up and down. So all you see is that little notch, and push up on it, and once you do that, it should pop right out. It should take you 10 seconds, for crying out loud. Yep. And so yeah. All right, hope that helps you guys. Thank you.